What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones, aka I Take You. I got back again with another informative video. This has been a requested video to show off what's on my iPhone. So here is the video, what's on my iPhone, and yeah. So this is the first page, and usually it's got the basic essentials. Got that calendar, photos app, camera app, clock, notes, reminders, the app store settings, my Google Maps, weather. It also has, my email, contacts, wallet, and then a few of my, calling, texting applications and FaceTime, of course. And then at the bottom, I want to say these are my most used apps, but I just feel like it's quicker to get to these apps most often and put them down there at the bottom, and things in that sort. So yeah, that's what it is. On the second one, I could have put all of them in my tools and utilities, because that's what most of these apps are, tools and utilities. Your file app, your Apple Home, voice memo measures, stocks, stuff like that. Now in the folders, this is where it gets more interesting. So in my finance app folder, I have PayPal, of course, number one. My Google rewards, when I get surveys from Google, I take them. They send me a few cents here. Sometimes I get $1 here or two, and then I can cash out to PayPal. Also, inbox dollars. I use this a lot for surveys. Get free, a few bucks here and there. Cash out once I get to 30 bucks. And yeah, that's that. Google Pay. Also, another inbox. So, yeah, and Cash App. Now for my productivity, I've got Evernote, Google Drive. I just did a recent video about my Apple iBooks. I got YouTube Studio to check in on my stats on YouTube, things and that sort. Gmail, of course. Dropbox. I use that from time to time. Let's see what else I got. I got Adobe, and OneDrive by Microsoft. So a little bit of my cloud and note-taking apps and emails. All right, the next one is social. All right, so I got Skype, Microsoft, Google Voice, DINGTONE. I did a video about that, and IMO did a video on both of these in one. So I might leave the video in the description box. Twitter, I love Twitter. All right, iMessage. I got 7 messages. I need to check them. And the infamous Google Plus, which has a sad story too right now, but that's on Android side. I don't know if they're shutting it down iOS, but on the Android side, sad story right now. I'll do a special video about that. But yeah, my browser section, I love browsers. I have no idea why. I love browsers. I got Cake. I haven't did a review on that one yet. I might do one this week. We'll see how everything goes. Opera Touch is also another Opera browser. Bing by Microsoft, Bing Search. I don't know why I got iMovies in there. Google Chrome, another infamous browser. Firefox, another infamous browser. I did have Pocket in here because I can share my links and videos and podcasts right to the Pocket, so I can look at links from the Pocket app. Wi-Fi maps, I guess it's to test out internet speeds. I don't know why that's in my browser and stuff, but okay. I got Opera Mini, which usually it saves you internet, saves you data if you're on a low budget data plan. And Safari, I barely use Safari, but it's mainly Opera Mini, Firefox, Chrome, and Opera and Pocket are my top go-tos. So yeah, like I said, I'll do a video on Cake if you guys want me to. All right, next one is entertainment. Now, I could have added my movies anywhere to it, but like I said, I got my movies, I got all my links linked, all my accounts linked to iTunes anyway. So my movies anywhere is linked to my iTunes. So all my movies and TV shows that I've got on all my other accounts, including Google Play Movies and Amazon and all that, will pop up in my Apple TV app. So that's why I have that in the entertainment. Also, Magic TV If I want to watch live and local TV on my iPhone, I can do that with this device. I'll put a video in the description for that. Dreams, I just did a video about that last week. Free, like about 8 or 9 free cable channels. So give or take. Yeah, so that's my entertainment for movies and TV. Now we want to go to news. I don't understand why this is news. I should change it to music. But yeah, so this should be changed to music. My fault, y'all. I'm gonna change it to music real quick. And it act like it won't let me do it. All right. My fault. Yeah, this is my music section. I don't know why I say news, but all right, there we go. All right, here we go. Now, all right, my bad, y'all. So the music apps, I got Castbox, which I have the VIP service, 1 year for free. Thanks for having an Android device. Google Play Music. Of course, I just done a video about that. You could actually listen to your music library for free without internet or Wi-Fi or nothing like that. So look into that video. Also, I got YouTube Music. I got free subscription with Google Play. So that's what we have. And Apple Music, I'm using 100% free for 3 months. And I kind of like it, but, I still have my favorites, all right? And one more app I didn't talk about was Audio Mac, which is down here at the bottom. I do have a video about that gives you 100% free music. Download it, and you can actually link that music to your Google Play or iTunes. So, take a look into that app. Next one is my games. Now, I'm not a heavy gamer on mobile, but, if I get bored or something like that or ain't nothing to do, I'm chilling with somebody or whatever like that, waiting on them, get done doing what they got to do, or at the bar or something like that, and I get bored watching the game and, it's on commercial or something. I use these games. Temple Run, Crossy Road. Goodness gracious. All right. But, yeah, so I got Jetpack, Crossy Road, Sniper, 3D, things in that sort. And, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I got the wallpaper. The wallpaper you see in the background, you really can't see it, but I got the iPhone Max wallpaper. You can go ahead and download that from Google search or browser. Just type in iPhone Max wallpaper, and you can put it on any iPhone. I really think like the Apple widgets or whatever is just super cluttered and things. I don't even use this on iPhone. I don't. I just use my apps. You got to drop down for notifications. And then I could draw up to get my shortcut toggles if I want to record a video and put it on, YouTube or something like that. But yeah, guys, this is it. And also the main phone carrier I have on my iPhone is by Freedom Pop. Yes, it's running on AT&T. It's running on AT&T network. I got the free service. I also get free text, free calls. So I get all that on my iPhone, and like I said, like my music is data free with Google Play and Apple Music if I download it, using Wi-Fi or something like that. But yeah, and like I said, I got Hangouts, Facebook Messenger, TEXTNOW, because I use these the most, even on Android. But that's what it is, guys. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What other apps did you want me to go over or I didn't mention? Yeah, like I said, I do have Wi-Fi maps, give you free Wi-Fi. So I have 38 new updates to the Wi-Fi map app. All I gotta do is update it, and they'll send me new open Wi-Fi hotspots for free internet. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Yeah, this is what's on my iPhone. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy, Two Phones.